Children have always been at the heart of Amixtel Nepal projects. Access to quality education in Nepal has mostly been hindered by lack of financial resources and low level of socio-cultural standing. Over the last 25 years, Amixtel Nepal has put much effort in reducing this gap by providing financial sponsorships to hundreds of school-going children. Besides, the organization has also opened an activity center in which extracurricular and tuition classes have been provided to support the children's academic needs. With the newly designed children program, much emphasis is being given to not just provide access to education and meet children's academic needs, but to implement projects that can also provide counseling and social support to the children and their families, and projects that can build transferable life skills in children, such as creativity, critical thinking, communication, caring, and collaboration skills to further assist them in their education. The youth are what drive our communities forward and are also the ones essential in making things happen at Amixtel Nepal. Similar to our beneficiaries of other programs, our youth also belong to marginalized communities having low socioeconomic backgrounds. However, our youth projects not only aim at providing better access to quality education, health, and livelihood opportunities, but strongly believes that youth are in fact the agents of positive social change. Our youth projects are therefore designed to develop such life skills that promote leadership and social responsiveness. Youths undergo hundreds of hours of training to develop 21st century life skills while simultaneously addressing existing social problems and engaging local communities. The youth are also provided with regular counseling and guidance in order to find real-life applications of skills developed.